In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automation between Wix and OpenAI using a platform like Zapier or LateNode. This connection will allow you to seamlessly integrate these powerful tools and automate certain tasks, making your life a whole lot easier. Let's start with signing up for an automation platform. If you're not already familiar with automation platforms like Zapier or LateNode, they're designed to connect different web applications and automate workflows. First, head over to the website of your chosen platform, whether it's Zapier or LateNode, and create an account. You'll just need to provide some basic information, your name, email, and a password. Once you've completed the verification process, you'll gain access to a host of automation possibilities at your fingertips. Now that you're all signed up, it's time to create your first automation, which in platforms like Zapier is known as a Zap. In this instance, our objective is to connect Wix and OpenAI. Begin by creating a new Zap and selecting Wix as your trigger app. If you're working with a platform that uses different terminology, you might encounter the word scenario instead of Zap. But the concept remains the same. For most users, the trigger event you'll select is New Chat Message in Wix. This allows your automation to kick in every time a new message is received through Wix's chat feature. With your trigger set, let's move on to configuring the action. Here, we'll be setting up the action to work with OpenAI. This step is essentially where the magic happens. You'll want to choose Chat Completion as your action in OpenAI. To set it up correctly, you need access to your OpenAI account. Within the action step, you'll be mapping the message received from your Wix chat to serve as the prompt in OpenAI. This mapping process is crucial because it ensures that every query sent by your users reaches OpenAI and is processed accurately, generating appropriate responses. Lastly, we need to ensure that the response generated by OpenAI makes its way back to the original platform, Wix, so the user receives a reply. To accomplish this, you'll add a final action step to send back the response. By configuring this action step, OpenAI's generated text will be communicated back through a Wix chat message, completing the automated cycle. Test the setup thoroughly to ensure everything is running smoothly. You might even wish to send a few test messages to verify the connection from end to end, and that's it. You've now successfully set up an automation that takes messages from Wix, processes them through OpenAI, and sends intelligent replies back to Wix. This smart automation initiative will save you significant time, allowing you to focus on other tasks while ensuring that your users receive quick and accurate responses. Keep experimenting with different setups and configurations as you get more comfortable with the platform. Good luck and happy automating!